Welcome back. Today we are looking at the video camera 4K, Camcorder 56MP digital video Recor review, consistent quality redefined. Finding a capable video camera that combines 4K recording, advanced vlogging features, portability, and beginner-friendly controls can be challenging. While professional filmmakers often look at premium cinema systems such as the Red Komodo 6K cinema camera category, many creators need an affordable solution that delivers impressive results without the complexity or cost of professional production equipment. The video camera 4K Camcorder 56MP digital video recorder is designed for vloggers, YouTubers, students, travelers, family videographers, and social media creators who want high-quality footage in an easy-to-use package. Check the video description for the updated price link. Featuring 4K video recording, 56MP photo capability, an 18x digital zoom lens, IR night vision, anti-shake technology, Wi-Fi connectivity, a rotating touchscreen display, remote control functionality, and included accessories. This camera offers an impressive collection of features that in this review. We provide a summary of the best features, highlight strengths and weaknesses, evaluate performance, and help determine whether this camcorder is the right choice for your content creation goals. The biggest attraction of this camera is its ability to record 4K Ultra HD video. Modern audiences expect sharp, detailed content, and 4K recording provides significantly better image clarity compared to older Full HD camcorders. Whether you're filming travel adventures, YouTube tutorials, product reviews, family events, school projects, or social media content, the increased resolution helps create a more professional appearance. Users upgrading from smartphone-only recording will immediately notice the dedicated controls and flexible shooting experience. Although primarily designed as a video camera, this model also functions as a capable still image camera. The 56MP photo resolution allows users to capture detailed images suitable for social media sharing, printing, presentations, and digital archives. For creators who prefer carrying one device rather than separate cameras for photos and videos, this added versatility is a valuable advantage. A major benefit for vloggers is the 270-degree rotating touchscreen display. Self-recording becomes dramatically easier because users can see themselves while filming. The touchscreen interface simplifies menu navigation and reduces the learning curve for beginners. Instead of navigating complex button combinations, many settings can be accessed directly through the display. This feature is particularly useful for night recording, is often difficult for budget cameras, but this model includes infrared night vision functionality. IR night vision enables recording in low-light and dark environments where traditional cameras struggle. Users can capture nighttime events, camping trips, wildlife observations, security monitoring situations, and creative filmmaking projects. This feature expands the camera's usability beyond daytime shooting and makes it more versatile for a wider variety of scenarios. The built-in 18x digital zoom helps users get closer to distant subjects without physically moving. This becomes especially useful during the zoom functionality allows greater shooting flexibility when physical access to a subject is limited. Shaky footage can ruin an otherwise excellent video. The anti-shake system helps stabilize recordings and reduce unwanted movement. For handheld shooting, walking videos, travel content, and everyday recording, stabilization contributes to smoother footage and a more professional viewing experience. Although not comparable to high-end cinema stabilization systems, it provides meaningful assistance for typical content creation needs. One of the most convenient features is integrated Wi-Fi functionality. Wi-Fi support allows creators to transfer files quickly and manage content more efficiently. Instead of constantly removing memory cards, users can streamline their workflow through wireless connectivity. This feature is particularly useful for social media creators who want to publish content quickly after recording. Check the link in the description to get yours today.